Hi friends, welcome back. It's EmilySayy or whatever. As you can tell, this is not me. This is my best friend Priscilla. She asked me to do her makeup for a photo shoot, and I of course said yes. I was so excited to do her makeup because as you can tell, this is her before picture, and look at those eyebrows. I mean, look at those eyebrows. Come on. So my camera hates me completely, and you guys will discover that later on in the video. But I just wanted to do something different. I actually wanted to be the one to do it on someone else rather than myself. So I hope that you guys like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and go follow all of my social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching, even though you haven't watched yet. So continue to watch. Make sure your grandparents are watching. Okay, bye. Okay, hold up, pause real quick. I got a PSA, public service announcement right here. But obviously my video and my camera cut off when I was doing her eyeshadow, her lashes, and her liner. And trust me, I was literally so upset after I found out that we had already passed all of that. And by that time that we realized that the video had stopped, we looked at the time and we actually needed to be at her photo shoot in like 30 minutes. So from here on out, you're gonna see me like hella speed. But yeah, sorry for cutting that part off on the video. Was not my intention. My camera hates me. Everyone should know this by now. It doesn't want me to see success, but I will prevail and push through this shitty camera of mine. So guessed it, my camera died again. But this is the final look for Priscilla. I had so much fun doing this look on her. She's my #1 best friend in the world, so we just had a blast doing it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. Or whatever. Clean cooking.
Excuse me.